All right, we got the Rogue ballistic block, which I believe is about 70 pounds. We have the, I want to say Haxe, H-A-X-E, sledgehammer block, whatever you want to call it. This one is kind of like a crumb rubber. This is more like a Vulcan rubber. I'm gonna hit them both with this 35-pound Odin sledgehammer, and you'll see how they look. So, my biggest complaint, I've had this for a year and a half, pieces of the crumb fall off. I mean, Rogue even says don't hit it with the sledgehammer. Moves around a lot. This thing does not move at all. I don't think you're gonna damage it all. That's it.